Every day, the monkeys climb the tall coconut trees, skillfully reaching the fruits hanging high above the ground.
They crack open the coconuts and enjoy the fresh coconut water and soft fruit inside.
Every day, the monkeys climb the tall coconut trees, skillfully reaching the fruits hanging high above the ground. Once the coconuts are collected, the monkeys gather together to enjoy the sweet reward of their hard work.
But one day, something unexpected appears in the sky.
Strange visitors arrive in the jungle, stepping out of the helicopters and moving toward the monkeys.
One by one, the monkeys are carefully captured and taken away.
Within moments, the helicopters rise back into the sky, carrying the monkeys far away from their jungle home.
After a long journey across the jungle, the helicopters finally arrive at the factory gate.
As the factory doors open, the monkeys begin to enter one by one. Guided by the workers, they move down the
Here, the monkeys are carefully cleaned and prepared before the factory process begins.
Before entering the production line, every monkey passes through the factory washing area. Before entering the production line, every monkey passes through the factory washing area.
Inside the factory washing station, each monkey is carefully cleaned before the work begins. Workers gently.
After the washing process, the monkeys enter the factory drying room. Here, powerful industrial heaters gently.
Before the work begins, every monkey is carefully inspected inside the factory. Workers make sure they are ready for the...
Before starting their work, the monkeys gather in the factory feeding hall. Here they are given food to restore their energy for the tasks ahead.
They enjoy fresh fruits and nutritious meals before continuing to the next stage of the factory process. Inside the factory processing unit, the next begins. The monkeys enter the machine.
After leaving the processing machine, the raw meat moves onto the factory washing line. Here it is carefully cleaned before entering the next stage of production.
Once cleaned, the meat is transferred to the cutting section, where it is sliced into precise portions for the next stage of the production line.
After the cutting process, the chicken meat moves through a powerful heating tunnel, where it is carefully cooked under controlled temperature.
Once the cooking stage is complete, every piece is carefully inspected. Workers use precision temperature probes to ensure that...
As the production line continues, the meat passes through an automated tenderizing machine. Sharp precision needles.
After passing the inspection stage, the chicken moves to the seasoning station. Here, automated nozzles evenly distribute spices across...
Solid ingredients are first ground into fine particles to prepare them for mixing. Solid ingredients are first ground into fine particles to prepare them for mixing.
The lipstick journey begins as raw cosmetic ingredients arrive at the factory.
Inside massive industrial mixers, oils, waxes, and pigments combine to create the lipstick base.
The heated mixture passes through advanced filters to ensure a smooth and pure cosmetic base.
As the mixture cools, it slowly thickens into a rich cosmetic paste.
The mixture is heated, so the wax and oils melt together into a smooth liquid formula. The thick cosmetic paste is kneaded and prepared for shaping.
Before becoming lipstick, the liquid formula is carefully tested in the laboratory. Scientists analyze the composition. The newly formed lipsticks travel through cooling tunnels to solidify perfectly. The tested lipstick formula is transferred through controlled pipelines to the filling system.
Powerful presses compress the cosmetic material into lipstick cores.
The compressed material is molded into the classic lipstick shape.
Precision filling machines carefully inject the liquid formula into lipstick molds.
At last, the factory produces perfectly shaped red lipstick, ready for packaging. Inside shaping machines, the liquid formula solidifies into the classic lipstick form.
The newly formed lipsticks pass through cooling tunnels to solidify perfectly.
Next, polishing machines refine the lipstick surface to create a smooth and glossy finish.
Automated systems assemble the lipstick sticks into their elegant cosmetic tubes.
Branding machines add logos and product information to each lipstick.
Finally, the finished lipsticks are packaged and prepared for shipment around the world.
Before shipping, every lipstick package passes through strict quality inspection.
Automated packing machines organize the finished lipsticks into shipping cartons.
The cartons are carefully sealed to protect the products during transportation.
Automated packing machines organize the finished lipsticks into shipping cartons.
The cartons are carefully sealed to protect the products during transportation.
The packed cartons are stored in the warehouse, ready for global distribution.
Forklifts transport the cartons toward the loading docks.
At the loading dock, the cartons are placed into trucks for delivery.
Bring the products to stores around the world.
At the loading dock, the cartons are placed into trucks for delivery.
Soon, the lipsticks arrive at beauty stores. Soon, the lipsticks arrive at beauty stores. A customer chooses the perfect shade.
A customer chooses the perfect shade.
And finally, the lipstick reaches its true purpose.